Hey, it's Billy, and today I'm going to be recording something super exciting. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial slash first impression of the Blood Sugar palette. So this is the little white cover it comes in, and then look at it! And it's like super well made, really cute. It's so beautiful. You can see my Jeffree Star lipsticks in the A. So I'm just going to take my blending brush and the color Cavity, which is the bright pink over here. I'm going to take Root Canal, and I'm just going to kind of put it in the same place. Now that I know what Root Canal looks like, I'm just going to take more of it and kind of pack it in my outer corner and around. These colors are very pigmented and blending out amazingly. Oh my gosh. I have this very small kind of precision brush, and I'm going to go into Fresh Meat. I'm just going to pack it in my outer corner. I don't want to pick up too much pigment because I kind of want to just keep it in this area. Just going to take more of Fresh Meat. Let's see, I'm going to take a little bit of Cavity again and just kind of brush over this top bit. And now I think I'm going to take Extraction and make it a little bit darker. Okay, we're gonna take Coma. I absolutely adore the color Coma. I feel like it's just a very unique color, and I don't have anything like it in my collection. Jeffree has already stated that the red shades could possibly stain. I just wanted to let you all know, like a tip. Whenever I use concealer as a primer, my eyes didn't get stained at all. But when I just applied primer itself, it stained a little bit. Which I'm still not really worried about because I kind of like the way it looks. But yeah. I'm just going to go back in with a very small brush and kind of carve out where I did the cut crease just to make it look very sharp. I'm going to take the color Prick and pack it here. So all of these colors have been very easy to blend. Prick is a little harder to get pigment out of, but that might just be because I put down translucent powder before I did this. Still a very lovely color. I've had no fallout this entire time, like none. That's what I was mostly afraid of, but no, nothing. Cherry soda with that same brush. I'm gonna go ahead and take candy floss, tiny little baby brush. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to take Coma, a very tiny amount, and drag it on my lower lash line, keeping it kind of close to my waterline. I don't want too much because I already have a lot on my eye. And then I'm going to take a little bit of Cavity. I'm just going to use Androgyny by Jeffree Star on my eyeliner, just because, I don't know, I feel like it needs something extra and not just like a black liner. Sorry guys, I had to go off camera for a second just to fix up my eyeliner because it was looking a little rough because I didn't have the best lighting, but it's fixed now. I'm going to take 714. I don't wear lashes ever because I don't know how to wear them. So this took me 40 million years to do. Just pretend that they look good. Tell me they look good because I was just sick and tired of putting them on. We're moving on to this eye now. Since I did like all of the reds and pinks, well, almost all of the reds and pinks on this eye, I want to try to do something kind of, I guess, like a warm nude. I think the first color I'm going to go in with is Tongue Pop, which is this kind of like peachy color. Ooh, I almost touched the one below that. And I just want to like go all over my lid with this color. Love Tongue Pop, definitely an everyday use color. Ouch. Which is this like warm brown shade. I figured I would just do one eye a different color because like I wanted to show you guys what all the colors look like and how they applied. I guess there's a couple that I ended up not using, but I'm trying my best to use every color. I feel like these are blending very effortlessly, and that's what I was trying to think of this whole time. I was like, normally I'm like not this great at blending very quickly. So I'm just gonna take Cake Mix and like I just want to see what it looks like on top of ouch. Intravenous. I'm sorry, that's the only one I don't know how to pronounce, and I feel like it's like a word that I should know how to pronounce and I'm just missing something. I don't know. Just going to take a little bit more. I like to kind of like blend it inward because I'm afraid that if I blend outward, I'll take too much product. And now I'm going to take Coma and put it in my inner corners, just the very ends. 100% would recommend this palette. I can already tell from here every single thing is perfect. I'm going to take cake mix and just lightly over top. And I'm basically just doing this to set it. I think I'm going to take Sweetener, which is the gold pink reflect shade, and put it down, and then put Donor on top of Sweetener. So yeah, just taking a more dense brush. I'm going to take Ouch and Travenous, that's what I'm going with, and packing it in this corner and dragging it down. This is the Liquid Lip Posh Spice by Jeffree Star. I'm going to be using it as an eyeliner, kind of similar to what I did on the other side. I'm going to take Androgyny and put a little bit back here to do a similar fade to what I did over here. I'm indecisive, so I'm also going to take 714 again. I hope you guys like it, because I feel really cute, and I don't really wear lashes ever, so this is something new for me too. I absolutely love the Blood Sugar palette, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create some looks with it. Let me know which side you like better. I personally love the purple, red, pink side just because those are my colors. Like and subscribe if you like it, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.